So the stock market works like both a voting machine and a weighing machine. And short term, it will work like a voting machine because what will happen is based upon the price action, momentum, and other things. People will have a herd mentality. They will flock towards stocks which are, and people are putting in more bets on it, and the prices will go up in a short term. But in a long term, it works like a weighing machine, and primarily it would be the quarterly results, annual results. At the same time, what is important from an individual perspective is that you want to see your profits grow on an ongoing basis. You don't want to invest in stock which is fundamentally good, but it is going to take very long to start building up a cycle. Then you lose your patience. The key to being in the stock market is sustainability. So you should be able to understand your risk profile and then be able to feed yourself on a short term basis so that you can sustain the innings in a long term. And with that intent, what we have tried doing is that we tried creating a course for an individual to assess his risk profile and based upon his risk profile, create his own framework and then leverage technology to continuously refine that. So I've created this course. Let me give you a quick brief of what we cover in this course is primarily we start with defining the fundamentals of the stock market so that you can bring in really the good stocks, fundamentally strong stocks as part of the your investment bets or for that matter swing trading bets. But if you have a bouquet of 150 stocks, it's very difficult to track it on a short term basis, on a daily basis, because you want to invest in fundamentally good stocks, but the stocks which are showing results in short term also. And that's where this technology, the next layer fits in. That is, we leverage Google Finance to automate traction on 150 stocks and identify opportunities that are coming up for short term as well as long term perspective. And that's where you build your screeners and then extend them to build your algorithms. And then you can continuously backtest and refine this. And this has been laid out in a manner that somebody who understands basics of Google Sheets and understands AI can build a framework on an ongoing basis based upon their risk profile, stay relevant, and understand the stock market deeply, because that's very, very important from a being there in the long term. And while we cover this course, what is the key is that it is about managing risk, and that's what is the entire underlying principle, as well as we cover in the end as a focus session is what to avoid in stock market. The link is there in our comment section. Give it a shot. And I assume that you will definitely like this course and build a portfolio for a long term as well as you will see profits in short term.